Hi there, my name is Marcy. I was speaking with Brianna today, and I'm not sure if she's going to be the one to receive this or someone else, but my name is Marcy, and what I do is I help businesses to bring more customers in the door. I help them with their online exposure, and I wanted to reach out to you guys because while I was out searching today, the search term that I used was furnace repair. However, I was searching in Vancouver, BC area, and you were showing up, your ad was showing up there. So I always like to bring that to business owners because it's really, when somebody just goes ahead and clicks on it, then that's costing you money. And my guess is that you're not coming over to Victoria to do any work. So it's just wasted. And there are settings. There's definitely, it's just not everybody can set up those ad campaigns, one person as well as the other. And sometimes people just get Google to do it because, they don't want to fuss with it and they've got work to do. Of course, Google, it's in their best interest. The more clicks there are, then the more money that they're making as well. So that was the big one that I wanted to reach out and let you know that your ad campaign should probably be a little more optimized, and you can exclude, you could exclude all of Canada, right? And you wouldn't have to worry about it showing up in places that you're not serving. But while I got you here, we'll just give you a quick overview of other things that you can do. Looks like you've got a pretty strong presence here. I didn't dig into the whole market, but I'm guessing here that we're offering your services where did I see it? Up in here in your heading where you've got Seattle heating. So you're serving Seattle, but when I look at your map listing, you can see right here it's just got you pinpointed to this one right here. So that would be an example of, again, just optimizing and making sure that you're showing up in more searches and higher in more searches. This is going to contribute to you being higher up in the maps listing where they have let's find one in here, which is obviously prime piece of real estate to be in one of these top 3 on the first page. So optimizing your listing. Google does like to see, and away from them, there's so many search terms, keywords that you guys have in your business, and so many different things that you're offering, and somebody could be typing into that browser there's tons of room for growth here on by means of content. By that I mean the information that you're giving. Google likes to see anywhere from 1,000 to 1,500 words of content on their homepage, because when they find a site on the internet and they go in there and they crawl it, that's exactly what they're crawling for. Is they're crawling for keywords. They want to see what it is you offer so they can be serving you up in the search results. It's in their best interest to keep searchers on their browser. That's how they make money. So they give every effort to give the best results. And so, when they like seeing 1,000, 1,500 words, it's for that reason. And if they find a site that's got that, they're going to see that business as the expert, the one with all the information. As long as they don't have plagiarized content and it's authoritative and keyword rich, they're going to be the ones that are ranking above the rest. So content is always a place where sites, because it's definitely very neglected throughout the entire website. People don't realize how important it is for ranking purposes. I put in this tool to show me what's going on behind the scenes. You've got a pretty strong backlink profile. Sees that you've been working at this since at least, I've got records back here from 2013. I noticed that I think I saw your site was maybe 2001 or something. Let me see. Somewhere in that neighborhood, yeah, 2001. So that's really contributes to your rankings too. Like the longer you're around, the more credibility and respect you earn from Google, because you're not just fly by night and here and then off. So that's really great too. And then another thing that you can do to help your business to be pushed up into higher up and hopefully into these top 3 is something called citations. This listing itself is a citation. Anywhere on the internet where you'd find your exact business name, address, and phone number, that's what a citation is. So as well as having a really nicely optimized listing, adding pictures, paying attention to it, good reviews, all that kind of stuff, the more places that they've gone out and crawled and they see you here and they see you over there again and they see you again and again and again, all the places that they see you listed, cited, name, address, phone number, that's going to help push you up in these rankings if you've got more citations than your competitors. So hopefully that's helped you out, whoever it is that ends up watching this. I'll probably follow back up with Brianna just to make sure that it did get in front of somebody's eyes, because that is important that you know that about the AdWords, because they can definitely drain a budget. All right, once again, my name is Marcy. I will follow up soon. Love to hear the feedback. Have a good day.